Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope you all having a good day so far. Back with another box of this Championship Collection football, and you get 20 factory sealed packs, 1 guaranteed exclusive rookie card, so not a bad value here, honestly. 20 bucks for 20 packs. I mean, I opened one of these just recently. My last video, got a couple PC cards. This sweet Jason Verrett 1 of 35 short print card, and I also gotten a Mod Bradshaw autograph out of a pack of 2010 Topps out of one of these boxes. So there's potential for some not so bad cards in here. So let's see what we got. Packs are probably going to be pretty similar as they were in the last one. You got a lot of leaf. Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. Fidgeting with a new little stand for my camera here. Alright. But anyway, yeah, you always get the usual suspects: leaf draft, sage hit, score. Probably gonna have a couple base tops. Had a lot of prestige in the last one, so expecting the same kind of things to come out of here. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got our big stack of packs. Empty box. Let's see where that exclusive rookie card is. There's our packs. There we go. Alright, so our card is Deshaun Watson. They're kind of cool looking. I got a Dalvin Cook one in the last box, so alright, I'm destroying everything here. Alright, anyway. Back to the action. Alright, so we got 3 packs, 2017 Leaf Draft as usual. Pack of Sage Hit. 4 packs of 2014 Prestige. No thick ones. Nope, no thick ones. Multiple packs. Was that 2014 score? Yep, 2014. Pack 2014 Prism, 2010 Topps, 2014 Contenders, Sage Hit and Leaf Draft, 2011 Upper Deck Football. Oh, check that out! A hobby pack at Topps Finest. What? That is sweet. Definitely gonna save that for last. And more Leaf Draft. This is gonna be a good box. All right, let's do some 2016 Leaf Draft. We've got a hobby pack of finest, man. Daniel Braverman, Chris Brown, Leonard Floyd, Farrell Cooper, De'Runnya Wilson. Yeah. Packs were tough like this in the last box. Braylon Addison, Jerron Kearse, Forrest Buckner, Brandon Allen, Joey Bosa. Kelvin Taylor, Leonard Floyd, Kyle Carter, Nate Sudfeld, Connor Cook. CJ Prosise, Ezekiel Elliott, Kelvin Taylor, Glenn Ronkowski, and Keith Marshall. We got a pack of 2017 Sage Hit High Series. Taiwan Taylor, Donnell Pumphrey, Ezekiel Elliott, Adam Bisnowity. Not sure how to say that one. Alright. Sage Hit Low Series. Tyler O'Connor, Samaje Perine, Malcolm Mitchell, Sidney Jones, rookie. All right, 2017 Leaf Draft. Jesus. Oh, what is with these Leaf packs, man? Jordan Leggett, Mitch Trubisky, James Quick, Chris Godwin, Chad Kelly. Jehu Chesson, Mike Williams. I'm not going to even try to say that. Ryan Switzer, Davis Webb. Darius Stewart, David Njoku, Jonathan Allen, John Ross, Kareem Hunt. All right. This last. Let's do some 2014 score. Richard Sherman, Carson Palmer, James Laurinaitis, Jadeveon Clowney rookie, Andre Williams rookie. Numbers game, Von Miller, Ray Malaluga, Brandon Pettigrew, Lance Dunbar, Richard Sherman. Frank Gore, Derek Johnson, Cameron Wake. Sorry I'm having so much trouble with these packs today. Matt Forte, Zach Martin rookie, Marquez Denard rookie, Trevor Riley rookie. Behind the numbers, Victor Cruz. That's not numbered. Mike Evans, hot rookie. Trent Richardson, Marshawn Lynch, Darrelle Revis, Marlon Brown, Eric Decker, Josh Gordon. All right, 2014 Prestige. Gronk, Hakeem Nicks, Barkevious Mingo, Vontez Burfict. Ooh, that's cool looking. Antonio Brown, number, acetate card. Well, that's really sweet. Hey, Bortles rookie, PC. I like that. Kenny Britt, Jason Witten, Jermaine Kearse, Julio Jones. More Prestige. Torrey Smith. Oh, we got something cool coming up. Shiny card. Gronk. Keem Nicks. Barkevious Mingo again. Jason Verrett. Extra points red. It's not numbered. Allen Robinson rookie PC. Jeremy Maclin, Marshawn Lynch, Calvin Johnson, and Deshaun Jackson. Another Prestige. Phillip Rivers, Scott Chandler, Andre Holmes, Andre Johnson. Man, I'm getting some cool looking PC card. Blake Bortles, prestigious picks. Sweet. Lake Seastrunk, rookie. Timothy Wright, Percy Harvin, Jordan Reed, and Michael Floyd. These boxes are killing it so far. Oops. Sorry about that. Got Mike Wallace, Lance Moore, Marcus Ware, Chris Johnson. All fantasy team, Jamal Charles. Acetate insert. That's really cool. Johnny Manziel rookie. That would have been a good card back in 2014. Sean Witherspoon, Ruben Randall, Randall Cobb, and Tony Romo. All right, let's do a pack of 2011 Upper Deck Football. Steve Largent, Kellen Winslow. Saturday in Action, Thurman Thomas, Rocky Blair, and Troy Aikman. We got a pack of 2014 Prism. Jason Morrow, die cut rookie Bishop Sankey, Earl Campbell, Bruce Smith. Alright, 2010 Topps. Actually a hobby pack. And we got 2 hobby packs in here. That's awesome. Let me do this Contenders first, 2014. 2 hobby packs out of the box. That's sweet. Torrey Smith, Danny Amendola, Jordy Nelson, Cecil Short, Mike Williams, Andy Dalton, Alshon Jeffrey, Geno Smith. Alright, let's rip into these hobby packs. 2010 Topps. Michael Finley, Brandon Flowers, Julian Edelman, Bob Sanders, Vince Young, Mike Sims Walker, Redskins team card, Ontario Hardesty rookie, John Connor rookie. Alright, let's see this hobby pack of Topps Finest 2014. Pretty excited about this, man. That's sick. Let's see this. There's something in there, the color. I don't know, there's some kind of refractor card. Brandon Marshall, Torrey Smith, Wes Welker, Marshawn Lynch refractor, AJ McCarron rookie. That's pretty damn cool though. 2 hobby packs out of the box. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Do a lot of card videos. Yeah, I would say these are definitely not a bad buy at all. You get that exclusive rookie card, you get 20 packs, and I guess there's like a couple hobby packs, and I don't know if they're in everyone or if I just got lucky. Like I said, I bought another one of these and got another hobby pack of that 2010 Topps, got an Ahmad Bradshaw auto out of there. So I would, in my opinion, I would honestly definitely pick one of these up. You get a ton of cards for 20 bucks. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.